I'm Madam Rita. I'll be taking you through some tests that you do in the hospitals. Yeah, so we are going to start with the pregnancy testing, okay? So, tukifanya pregnancy test, always, anytime you're doing a procedure, you wash your hands thoroughly, and then you prepare your equipment and you don your PPEs. Sawa. So, what hormone do we test in the pregnancy test kit? 𝐻𝐶G. 𝐻𝐶G stands for human chorionic gonadotropin, okay? That's the hormone that we look for in the test kit. You look at the expiry dates. So 2026, it's okay. Mine is still not expired, but it will be expired by some time in the year. So you open it, there's a patch, there's a weak line that is seen on the kit. So hapo ndo utatia, and then you must have your urine sample. So you'll give a specimen collection to the person who is going to get the test, and then they'll correct their urine hapo. Alafu, you'll take your, so the ones that look like this, they're strips, okay? And we have the maximum line on the strip. So I've given you samples of the test kit, so you can open it and see how the strip looks. So what you do, you insert your strip to the urine sample. So I've put mine to the maximum line, and then I wait for it to, the 𝐻𝐶G that you're testing. So you see the hormone is here. So it will start going upward. So you'll see two strips. So if you have the two lines, you're positive for, yes, you're positive for pregnancy. And if you see one line, you're negative, okay? Yeah, so utaiweka for a few minutes here, a few 1 to 2 minutes, and then you observe. You come back, uone results. If you don't want to go to the hospital, maybe you're afraid, you're a first timer, you have never done the test, and you want to know if you're positive. So you take the test kit, and it's a fast one. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes, 5 minutes. You just go to your house comfortably and you do the test, and you know your results.